Oh, hello, this is Tak Chung from Wok with Tak. In this video, I'm going to review a 14-inch light cast iron wok from Walmart by IMUSA. I really enjoy using this wok. I had mine for over 4 years, and I use it regularly on my glass-top electric range. I'm going to share with you my experience in cooking with this wok so you can decide whether this is what you would like to get. I'm going to list my observation in the order of importance from my perspective. You probably will rank it differently. During this video, I will refer to my other videos. Please click the info icon to open the video link panel. I will also provide the link in the description section below the video. Please click the See More to open it up. Number 1, shape change. Since I cook on a glass-top electric range, it is important for the wok to stay flat. Most carbon steel wok expand slightly when heated. It causes them to wobble on top of a glass-top electric range. Like cast iron, do not change shape when heated, so make them perfect for cooking on a glass-top electric range. Number 2, size. It is a 14-inch wok. It is big enough for cooking most dishes in the wok, but it is small enough to fit in a regular home kitchen. Please see my video, what is the best size wok to buy for your home kitchen on this topic. Number 3, seasoning. It comes pre-seasoned with a coating of a black vegetable oil resin. However, it fades quickly. However, it can be readily seasoned using my spot seasoning method as shown in this video. As you can see here, it fries an egg without any sticking. Number 4, weight. It weighs 3 pounds 14 ounces, just about the kind of average weight of woks on the market. I can lift the wok easily with one hand, even with some food in the wok. I like this weight. It gives me a sense of a solid feel, but this is just a personal preference. Number 5, handles. It comes with a long handle that I feel really good in my hand. It is constructed with a material known as Bakelite. It can withstand temperature up to 300 degrees Fahrenheit, so it is possible to use in the oven for some light baking. The long handle is easily detachable. It is convenient when you store it in a tight place. The helper handle is in a more vertical position, making it easier to grab as compared to some other handles are in a more horizontal position. Number 6, availability. This wok is right off the shelf in almost most Walmarts that I have been to. This is the reason why I recommend it to my students. And for $28, it is a good value. However, I found 2 negative aspects about this wok. First, the black vegetable oil resin coating. After few use, the coating will peel off and exposing the bare metal. Many students feel that it is the peeling of some type of black paint, and therefore they express concern for the safety. I consider the black oil resin mainly cosmetic. When it starts to peel, it causes concern because it resembles non-stick coating, which have a safety issue. However, in this case, the black vegetable oil resin is completely safe. Second, brittleness. Unlike carbon steel, light cast iron will crack when subject to strong force. Here is an example of a crack in a light cast iron wok happened during shipping. In summary, I like this wok. I have used it daily for almost 2 years to cook hundreds of dishes. For me, a suggestion for improvement is to skip the black vegetable oil resin. In my case, I have removed it completely from the wok. And for research purpose, I cook in 10 different woks regularly. Please see my list of the top 10 woks that I use in this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you would like to receive notification of my future video postings. See you next time.